Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the basics in Premiere Pro. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to teach you the basics in Premiere Pro and the reason why it is the industry standard software for video editing. Premiere Pro is a very powerful software. It is used for many things. It has more features than CapCut. Okay, it has more features than CapCut, and you can use it, to edit your videos. Let's say cinematic videos. Let's say any kind of video at all. If the color grading is very wonderful, every effect is very powerful. It has inbuilt sound system, soundtracks that you will definitely love. You understand? So Premiere Pro is a very wonderful software, industry standard that you can use to edit your videos. You can also use it to do your graphic design. Yes, you can use it to do your motion graphics, particularly, not really graphic design, sorry, your motion graphics. Yeah, so it has some pen tool, it has your the tools that you use in Adobe Illustrator. Yes, you can use it inside the Premiere Pro, and as well construct your motion graphics, import some other things, and then make some of your objects to be movable. You understand? So I am going to teach you the basics as a beginner, the basics in Premiere Pro. If you're ready, this is what you're going to see at first. Okay, this is what you're going to see at first when you open Premiere Pro. This dashboard, this interface, this is what you're going to see when you open Premiere Pro. So what you're going to do, these are the things that I have already done. So what you're going to do is to click New Project. You go to New Project, you click New Project, and it is going to take you to your timeline. Let's see what we have. Okay, here you name the object, the video that you want to edit, the title. Let's say this one is for tutorial. Okay, tutorial. Every other thing you leave it the way it is and press OK. When you press OK, then it is going to take you to this particular phase where you are going to start importing and then creating your videos. Alright, let's wait for the interface. Now in Premiere Pro, remember that Premiere Pro has different kind of workspace. You understand what I mean by workspace? Just like in CapCut, CapCut has just very few. I think only one or so, or depending, you can as well adjust in CapCut. But this particular one now is different when it comes to Premiere Pro. Alright, this is how the interface of Premiere Pro is. Here, this is for editing. If you're editing your videos, this is how the interface is. So here, this particular part, this is where all your videos, your sounds, everything, this is where it is going to be. Okay, this is where it is going to be. So you must ensure that this is where you place your videos. So I'm going to show you how I do my thing. Here, you come to this side and click. Okay, then you see new bin, then you create a new bin. Let's say videos. Okay, you click outside, then another one. Let's say you want to soundtracks. Okay, all right, soundtracks. Okay, then let's say graphics. You have some graphics that you want to. Okay, all right, this is how to create your folders in Premiere Pro. So I am going to import some videos so that we can use it to rehearse this. So for this, for instance, I'm going to do this, go to alright, go to videos, then look for any video, simple video that is here. Okay, let me go to school edit. All right, okay, all right, so remove this side, remove all this. So Now this is the video. As you can see what I'm doing on the screen is I'm going to carry this and place it on top of this video. Okay, alright, it has been imported. Let me show you clearly. Imported. Okay, now as you can see the video has been imported on the dashboard and inside this video. Okay, so now you are going to carry it and come to this particular place and drop it. Okay, then it will create a sequence for you automatically. It will create a sequence for you for this editing. Alright, now the video is up and then the sound is up here, down here. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, this is the video, as you can see. Okay, so this is the video. So now if you want to, let's say you want to edit this is it. Now if you want to check the video before importing on your timeline, you can double click here and it will show here. Okay, you double click. When you double click here, it will show here. Then you preview. This place is to preview the video before you import. Okay, this also you can use it. Let's say you want to cut some parts, you can also cut some parts here. Okay, now here is for color. Now when you click anyone sorry, when you click anyone on this particular part, you realize that the dashboard changes, the method changes. Here now, this is the place you're going to change the color correction, change the color, make it to look nice. Okay, here we have so many types. We have so many types, so you can click this and then change the video. If you look at what we have here, you can sharpen the video. Okay, here you can vibrance and all that. Okay, so here you can change the mood. These are the arrows, these are the keys that you can use to I just want to, okay, I was talking about aspect ratio. Now let's say you want it to be 9:16 or 16:9 or 1.1 or whatever. So what you do is highlight the video and go to sequence, go to auto reframe sequence, and then here you can change. As you can see here, you can change the aspect ratio of the video. When I'm talking about aspects, I'm talking about the size of the video. Okay, so here I want it to be 16:9, which is YouTube pattern. We say create. So this is when you export this video, it is going to be like that. Okay, so these are the dashboard. Every part has its own dashboard. Anything you click has its own dashboard. Okay, over here is the timeline, the snapping. This particular one here is for snapping. Okay, so that is it. All right, so this is just the basics that can get you started for your for your Premiere Pro. Okay, so keyframes as well. When you tap the video, you go to you will see, if you go to this particular place, when you tap the video, sorry, oh sorry, I'll go back to editing. Okay, now you go back to editing. Now when you tap the video, you go to effect controls. When you go to effect controls, sorry, when you go to effect controls, over here you can apply keyframe. Okay, you can apply keyframe on okay, over here you can apply keyframe. Let's say position, here this is where the keyframe shows. Okay, this is where the keyframe shows. All right, this is where the keyframe shows. When you apply this, you can see this is where the keyframe shows. Now you move a little bit forward. Okay, because we all know, and then sorry, then you make your changes. Let's say scale. Okay, then you scale. Okay, this is for test particularly. Okay, you can also do it on sound, just like in CapCut. Okay, So these are the keyframes, as you can see, the keyframes. Just like this is how it works in Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is the, then here is to change the pattern of how your imported videos, imported files will show. So this is the one I normally use, okay, when I'm editing my videos. Okay, so here, over here, okay, this is where you import your videos or graphics, separate them so that you will have organization when you are editing your videos. Okay, so always edit both the video, the colors, and the sound. It is very important. Thank you. Without making this video to be too long, thank you so much for watching this video. On our next video, I'm also going to teach you more on Premiere Pro and how you can do some of the designs in Premiere. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how you can do this